24. Your winning number is 16, red, low number from the first column. Also start to be a hot number. Congratulations to the winners betting inside. Yes, not a long time. Stranger Things, and I really liked it, enjoyed it. Right, you know, for example, as kitchen, kuchnia, you know this, the most popular Russian series. No more bets, good luck. But if we talk about TV shows, I really like something like really interesting. TV shows, 623, 3100 axis behind. Number is 16, red, low and hot from the first call. We got this number, second time in a row. Compliments to the winners betting time. You can just put in Google Translator word kitchen. Yes. You will have this word in Russian language and you can Google it. Easy, smart, outstanding. No more bets, good luck. Yeah, translated to Russian. 230, 230, 650x and everything. Ball landed on 5, red, low number from the first dozen. Congratulations to you, betting inside. We got 603 winners. Special congrats to 5 for Mir, 7, QA, KG, and you. Check statistics, out to plays available. Welcoming newcomers on betting with 12, 15, 23, 26, 24 are shiny, shaky numbers because of your straight bets on them. No more bets, good luck. Only with the straight bets you're able to get lightning multipliers. No. It's just serious. 14, 21, 100x on 14. And your winning number is 23, red, second column, second dozen. Also, it's a hot numbers since now. Congratulations to winners, bets are open. Something like Stranger Things and all this stuff. Okay, I'm waiting. By the way, red code numbers were 4 times in a row according to the game statistics. All information is available for you as hot and cold numbers, for example, yeah. No more bets, good luck. But if you have any questions about the game flow or something, you can just join me in the chat, like ask 322, 3600x and 36. This time we have on the wheel 34 red, first